In this video, I'm going to show you how to take scrolling screenshot of Excel file for completely free. Whether you need to capture large data sets in Excel file or share your work without missing any details, here is the video to get the perfect scrolling screenshot using free software. First, open any web browser and search for PicPic. You will also find the link in the description. So this is the software that I am talking about. Just click on the link to open the website. With PicPic, you can take full screen screenshot, capture particular window or area, and most important, scrolling screenshot of the window. Now click on download, and as you can see, this software is free for personal use. You cannot use it for commercial purpose. The only downside is that it works only on Windows PC. Now here you can download installer using download button or use portable version. Let's click on download button and this will download installer to your PC. Once download is over, open installer, select the installation location. Just follow on-screen instructions to install the software. I have already installed software on my PC. Now open PicPic software on your PC. Here is the Excel file containing sample data of which we are going to take scrolling screenshot. Click PicPic window and make sure Excel file is open behind the software window. Now under screen capture, click scrolling window. Cursor will turn into crosshair. Now click on corner of the window of which you wish to take the screenshot, which is Excel in our case. The Excel will start scrolling and once it reaches the end of data, screenshot will be captured. So this is the screenshot of the Excel file. And as you can see, it has captured all the data in this screenshot. Now click File in the menu and click Save. You can save the screenshot in PNG, BMP, JPG, GIF or PDF format. It's preferable to save in PNG format, so click PNG. Now select the location to save the screenshot and rename the file. Once done, click Save. Here is the scrolling screenshot of the Excel file that we just captured. You can zoom in and zoom out to check the data. So that is how you can take scrolling screenshot of the Excel file for completely free. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.